Hello everyone. So in this video what we are going to do is this is the part second in which we will discuss the Power App that we created, how we can open it in a mobile application. That part we'll also see, and how to integrate this to the SharePoint web part. Okay, so the first thing that is needed is we save our application and then we publish, right? But before that I want to do one step. So in this submit on select patch functionality, what I've done is I have added two more steps. So this one is notify. It will notify as operation successful, notification type dot success. It will expire in 5000, that is 5 seconds, right? And the second one is navigate, right? Once that is done, it will navigate to the browse screen one, and the screen transition is fade, right? So the browse screen one is this one where you see all the entries. Currently I have only one entry, so it will navigate to this screen once the form is submitted, right? And we will get a banner at the top where it says that the form is operation succeeded, completed. So this is the notify function in Power App. The notify function displays a banner image to the user at the top of the screen, overlaying what is currently displayed, right? The notification will remain until the user dismisses it, another notification replaces it, or the timeout expire, which by default is 10 seconds. Okay, and I've made it 5 seconds in mine. So there are different one, that is notification dot error, notification dot success is the one that we have used for our function. Okay, so moving on, let's save and publish it. So I've already saved. Let me show you to publish it. So I've already published first time, and that's why it's asking whether I want to publish this version of the application. So name, and I will publish this version. So publish this version. Okay, so our app has been published, right? If we go and check in the apps, this is our app, right? So now what we are going to do is, let's have our application integrated into the SharePoint. So this is SharePoint. In the home page itself, I do everything here itself. So my system is running a bit slow. Okay, so we are going to select here Power App, Microsoft Power App, add an app. So in here the app web link or ID is needed. So if we go to our app, right, let's select the app, and in the details section, here is the web link and here is the web ID. So I am going to use the web ID. And there we have it, our application. Let's publish it. Okay, so here is our application. If I minimize this, you'll be able to see it. Okay, so we can see the application on the page, right? And if you click on the plus icon, it will take you to the edit page where you can create new entry. All right, so we will create one entry, but not through this, but through the mobile application. So I'll show you how we enter in through the mobile application. That directly we'll see the entry in the list as well as in the SQL list. Okay, so this is all about uh, the application that we how to save it, publish it, and then integrate it in the SharePoint web part, Power App. Okay, for the next part, let me take you to the mobile. We are in phone now. What we'll do here is go to Play Store, okay, and type in here PowerApp. I already have a PowerApp, so I will just open it. You would have to sign in with your account, the tenant. And once you do, you'll be able to see all your applications. The our application is SQL. Let's open it. So as we can see, there is one entry already in there. We will create one more. Okay, so let's type. So Jack, due date 28, due date, and Delhi. So these are the details: title or name Jack, due date, and area. Let's save it. Okay, as you can see at the top, operation successful is the new code that we added. In 5 seconds that is gone, and we are at the main screen, the browser screen, where we can check all the different items. So both our code that we added are working, and this is how in the application you can see different entries. Okay, if I go on to the first entry, I'll be able to see that, and in the second entry I'll be able to see that. So let's go back to the laptop now. Okay, so we are back at the computer. Now let's check, let's refresh this. So this, as you can see, is showing our second entry, SharePoint list. SharePoint is Share online platform, so it pretty much will be instantaneous and will show us the records. So this application is getting updated from the list itself, but just for the sake of completion, let's go to the list as well. And we have both the entries, Jack, area, Delhi. Now only thing left to further check is SQL. Okay, so let's see, we have 17 rows. I'm going to refresh this, and we have 18. Let's check whether our entry came Jack 28 to Feb and Delhi, right? So we have our entry in the SQL table as well. So this is how you can use the application through the mobile app as well and enter the data. It will reflect in the list as well as in the SQL, database as well. That is all for this video. That is all for this video. Thank you for your time. Have a good day. Bye.